The number one reason why patients have a hard time using the machine, I would say, is probably because it's unnatural to sleep with something on your face when you sleep at night. And it really can take some time getting used to. One thing that I recommend to patients who come see me in my practice is to use desensitization techniques. What do I mean by that? Well, actually, just wear your mask while you're on your phone, when you're preoccupied doing something such as reading a book, so your brain gets more used to being on the machine. You desensitize yourself